Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being part of the family. Please don't forget to hit on the share button, likes, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And in the comment section, please note the regretful comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
In this life, whatever you are doing, make sure you make it. I will tell you why I said so. You see these two people, you are seeing their picture up there. One is Olaiya Igwe, a produce movie. He's an actor. And this other person you're seeing here, Tope Alabi, Evangelist Tope Alabi. She's a gospel musician. And do you know why I'm putting the picture of the two of them up there? I want to explain something about these two people to you. Mr. Olaiya Igwe was interviewed some days or weeks ago, and they asked him that what was his greatest regret in life. And he said his greatest regret in life was that when Evangelist Tope Alabi wants to get married to Bishop Soji Alabi, that then he had a Mercedes V-Boot that he just bought, and he bought it from the proceedings of this his movie that was a hit then, Ololade Mr. Money. So he said they asked him to help them with his Mercedes V-Boot so that they can use it for their wedding ceremony, like they want to use the Mercedes Benz. And Mr. Olaiya Igwe said because the Mercedes Benz was once stolen and he recovered it back, so he was kind of optimistic to give them the car. So later on, he said after like 1 day or 2 days to their wedding, they were calling him that please help us with this car. We want to use it. He said they stopped picking their cars rather. And that was how they did their wedding without his Mercedes V-Boot. Now, fast forward to this time. He's struggling to buy a car. Whereas Evangelist Tope Alabi has many flights of cars that even he himself cannot afford. That is life. We only know today. We don't know tomorrow. Don't look down on anybody, because nobody knows tomorrow. That person you are looking down on today might be the person that will lift you up tomorrow. You don't know. So I want to tell you, and I want to beg you, that whatever is happening and you are looking down on someone, please stop it, because you don't know what might become of that person in the nearest future. I think you've learned a lesson from this. If you learn a lesson, share this video with someone so that they can learn a lesson too, that do not